First guys, I will demonstrate to you on this piece of wire how it's done. We have these two holes on the wire stripper and we'll use one of them. So what we need to do is insert the wire into the hole like this, so only the tip should be showing, and then you simply twist it like this until you create this hook. Then the hook will go around the screw, and after that we will tighten it, and this provides a very solid connection. Before we begin, you need to locate the breaker box inside your place, and you will need to turn off the designated breaker. Each switch has this small slot in the back. This is the strip gauge. This allows you to measure the amount of insulation that you need to remove when you install the wires. In our case, they are already stripped, but if for some reason you guys had to cut them off, if the wires were damaged, for example, you would need to use this strip gauge to measure the distance that needs to be stripped. In this case, this would be the distance. I will use the wire stripper. Well, I'll demonstrate to you guys because we won't actually strip this piece at the moment. This is 14 gauge wire, solid. So on this side you can see solid and 14. So what we would need to do if we were to remove this insulation is to choose number 14, then we'll squeeze the insulation and we would pull it off. So I'll show right here, 14 gauge wire. If we had insulation right here, I would press like this and then I would pull it off, and then we would have bare wire. Now I will repeat the process on the wire that we have right here. So again, only the tip comes out, then you simply turn it like this. And same with this one. When you bend it, do it away from you. Now we have our beautiful hooks here, guys, and I will attach them to the screw. So I'll do them one by one. When you install it, it has to be on the left side, the wire of the screw, because when you tighten it clockwise, it will tighten the loop even more. And also pay attention, first of all, the insulation shouldn't be underneath the screw. This way there won't be proper connection. And besides that, you shouldn't have any bare wire sticking out behind the screw. So this is close to being perfect. So now I will tighten the screw all the way. Make sure that it's tight connection. And I will repeat with the one on top. Again, like I said, guys, no bare wire, no insulation underneath the screw. This is how it should be done.